हाय बच्चों, आपको कैसे हो? हाथ जोड़कर आंखों को बंद कर प्रार्थना कीजिए। हे ईश्वर, हम बच्चे आपके सामने हिंदी की पढ़ाई करने के लिए है। हमें आशीर्वाद करो। तुम हमें आशीर्वाद करने से हम हिंदी की पढ़ाई आसानी से करूँगा। हमें आशीर्वाद करो। I hope all of you are safe and fine in your home, isn't it? Today we will study a new lesson. Which lesson? Lesson number 7. Take your textbook. Take your textbook. Take page number 37. Take page number 37. Did you take? What it is? It is a poem. Okay. Patsa Samay. What is the name of the poem? What is the उस कविता का नाम क्या है? समय. Okay. समय means time. Okay. From the name itself we can understand what the poet is going to say to us. Okay. We have to use the time properly. Okay, teachers, parents always used to tell you. Okay, you have to use your time properly. Then only we can earn in our life. Okay, we can start the poem. Keep your finger there where I am reading. Take a pencil with you and write the meanings there. I will ask the meanings. Okay, which is coming these lines. I will ask when we are getting the chance in online classes. When I am started to ask, some are not writing the meanings. That is not good. Okay, keep a pencil with you. Write the meanings. Listen. It is an easy poem, but it is telling something to us to do. Keep the proper time. We have to be punctual. We have to follow a proper timetable to earn in our life, to get gains in our life. Clear? Okay. Then what the poet is telling to us, what this poem is telling to us, we can listen. Keep your finger there. अभी समय है, अभी नहीं कुछ भी बिगड़ है, देखो अभी सुयोग तुम्हारे पास गिरा है, करना है जो काम उसी में चित लगा दो, अपने पर विश्वास लिगो, संदेह भगा दो, आएगा क्या समय, समय तो ढला जा रहा, देखो जीवन व्यर्थ तुम्हारा चला जा रहा, तो वीरों की भांति गिरे हो जाओ अब भी, करके कुछ जग बीच बेड़े हो जाओ अब भी, उद्योगी को कहाँ नहीं सुसमय मिल पाता, समय नष्ट कर नहीं सुख कोई भी पाता, आलस ही करा रिहाई सभी बहाने, जो करना हो करो अभी, कल क्या हो जाने, ऐसा सुसमय बेला और कब तुम पाओगे, गोकर पीछे इसे सदा ही पछताओगे, तो इसमें वह काम नहीं क्यों तुम कर जाओ, सुखी रहे संसार तदा तुम भी सुख पाओ. All of you understood? No need to explain, isn't it? No. Okay, I will explain. Then who is the उस कविता की रचयिता कौन है? रचयिता का नाम it is written here. Read it. सियाराम शरण गुप्त. What is the name of the writer? रचयिता का कवित्री का कवि का नाम क्या है? सियाराम शरण गुप्त. Don't forget. Okay, sometimes question will be to write the name of the poet. What is the name? Siyaram Sharan Gupta. Okay, then listen to the first stanza. Keep your finger there. अभी समय है, अभी नहीं कुछ भी बिगड़ है. अभी means now. अभी समय है. समय means time है. अभी नहीं कुछ भी बिगड़ है. बिगड़ means बिगड़ undone. Bigadna, to separate or undone. UNDONE. I think it is there in our textbook. Bigad means yes, it is there. Undone. अभी समय भी अभी नहीं कुछ भी बिगड़ है. देखो, देखो means you see, you look. अभी सुयोग, सुयोग means suyog. Suyog means good time, proper time or good time. Okay. अभी सुयोग तुम्हारे पास. पास means पास. near. Pass means near. Pass geda. Hey, geda means gedna. Gedna means to stand. Okay, pass near. Those who want write the term. Pass means pass, near, gedna. Gedna to stand. Okay, gedna to stand. तुम्हारे पास गेड़ा है, करना है जो काम. करना means करना, to do. करना है जो काम. काम means action, duty, काम, work. काम उसी में चित्त लगा दो. चित्त means चित्त, mind. Okay, चित्त means mind. चित्त लगा दो. अपने लगना means to feel. You put your mind there. Okay, to feel. Okay, अपने पर विश्वास. विश्वास means what is the meaning of the word विश्वास? विश्वास means belief. It is there in the textbook. अपने पर विश्वास रखो. संदेह भगा दो. संदेह means it is there in the textbook. संदेह means doubt. Okay, भगा. भगाना means to move, to remove, to run. भगाना, to move away. Okay, Bagana means to move away, to run away. Okay. Then what the writer is telling to us? Abhi samay hai. Now the time. Now it is the time. Abhi samay hai. Now it is the time. For what? Abhi nahi kuch bhi bigad hai. No need to do anything undone means no need to postpone anything now. What all the duties are there, what all the works you have to do, that you can do now. Now it is the proper time to do that actions, do that duties. Okay, if any subject is there to study, you can do it now. Why you are postponing? No need to postpone. Abhi nahi kuch bhi bigda hai. No need to undone that. Undone means no need to postpone that. No need to do as undone means no need to keep it away from you. Okay. Abhi now it is the time to do your duties properly. Okay. Dekho. And the writer is telling, the poem is telling to us, dekho, you see, Abhi suyog tumhare paas geda hai. Now the proper time or good time is standing there, or the good time is there near with you. It is there. The proper time or good time is there with you. It is near to you. The proper time or good time is standing with you. For what? To do the duties. No need to postpone. Some children, what they will do, if any subject you are getting, any question answers are getting, what they will do, they will keep it for the test papers or the exams. What is the result? You got, you won't get it. What all the subjects you are getting, daily you have to study that one. Okay, likewise you can score the marks easily. If you are keeping everything till the test papers or the exams, what will happen? You got, you won't get it. And nowadays it is happening. Some are keeping the subjects or till the test papers or till the exams. And at the time of exam, they are calling me that lesson's question answers is not there. This lesson's question answers is not there. That is not good. Which all the portions you are getting through your classes, daily you have to study and complete that one. Okay, complete the notes and write and study, and you should be ready at any time for the exam. Okay, then what will happen? If the test paper is there, no problem, just revise and write. If the exam is there, no problem, just revise and write. Likewise, you can study easily. Clear? Okay, the poet also, this poem also telling the same thing to us, same matter to us. Okay, same knowledge it is giving to us. Okay. Karna hi jo kam. The poem is telling to us, Karna hi jo kam. Which all the works you have to do, which all the duties you have to do. Jo kam. Jo means which duty is there to do. Usi mein chit lega do. You have to keep you have to concentrate your mind in that one. Okay. If any duties are there to do, that you have to do. You have to concentrate your mind on your duties. Clear? अपने पर विश्वास रखो. The poem is telling to us, अपने पर विश्वास रखो. You have to self-confidence should be there. अपने पर you have to believe yourself, means you have to you should have self-confidence. I can do. I will do. I will score the full mark. That is self-confidence should be there, and you have to work for that one. Okay, I used it to tell, aim high. If you are aiming as you will score the full mark. What is the result? You will try your level best. Okay, you won't keep the lessons till the exam. Okay, you should be punctual. अपने पर विश्वास रखो. You should believe. You should believe yourself. You have to be self-confident. Rego sandeh begado. And what you want to move away. You want to move away the doubts. Okay. Shall I get the full mark? Shall I can study? I can study that one. Or you don't think yes. I don't get. And don't likewise. You don't think what you should think. I can. I will do. And likewise you have to concentrate. You should have the self-confidence and you have to work for that. Likewise, you can achieve the goal. You can achieve your aim. Clear? Very easy. This the usage of the proper time. How you should be. The poem is telling to us as how you should be in your life. Clear, children? Okay. Abhi samay hai. That poet is telling to us. कवि हमसे कहते हैं कि अभी सुसमय है, अभी नहीं कुछ भी बिगड़ है. अभी तुमको क्या क्या काम होता है, अभी तुम यह काम करने को इस कविता द्वारा कहते हैं. देखो अभी सुयोग तुम्हारे पास गड़ा है. सुयोग अच्छा समय तुम्हारे पास गड़ा है, तुम्हारे पास है. उसको तुम प्रयोग कर अपने जिंदगी में विजय पाने को कविता हमसे कहते हैं. करना है जो काम, जो जिस काम तुमको होता है उस काम अभी करने को कविता हमसे कहते हैं. उसी में चित्त लगा दो. तुम्हारे काम में तुम्हारे मन को डिगने को कविता हमसे कहती है. अपने पर विश्वास रखो. तुमसे विश्वास रखो. रखो संदेह भगा दो. तुम्हारे पास यानी संदेह होता है तो उसे तुमसे भगा देने को यह कविता हमसे कहती है. क्लियर? ओके. अभी समय है. नाउ इज द टाइम. अभी नहीं कुछ भी बिगड़ा है. नो नीड टू कीप एनीथिंग अवे फ्रॉम यू टू डू. व्हाट ऑल द वर्क्स आर देयर दैट यू हैव टू डू नाउ. नाउ इज द प्रॉपर टाइम. देखो अभी सुयोग तुम्हारे पास गड़ा है. You see the proper time is there with you. It is there. The proper time is there with you. Which are the subjects, which are the works you have to do that you have to do now. That for that the proper time is there with you. करना ही जो काम, which works you have to do that you have to do now. उसी में चित्त लगा दो. You concentrate in your works. Okay, you have to concentrate in your work. अपने पर विश्वास रखो and self confidence should be there and something भगा दो and you move away all the doubts about yourself. I can do. I can't study. Such doubts you move away from you and concentrate in yourself as you can do everything. Okay, I can do. Right? Yeah, I am possible. Everything is possible. Impossible. That word is not there with us. And which word should be there with you? I am possible. I can do everything. Okay, I can do everything. Then अभी समय है, अभी नहीं कुछ भी बिगड़ है. देखो अभी सुयोग तुम्हारे पास गड़ा है. करना है जो काम उसी में चित्त लगा दो. अपने पर विश्वास रखो संदेह भगा दो. All of you got first 4 lines. Okay. पहली 4 पंक्तियां. All of you got it. Okay. Then come to the next second stanza. Keep your finger there. Write the meanings. Okay. Which any meaning is there to get that you write there. Some meanings are there in page number 38. Remaining ones, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Then keep your finger on 5th line. आएगा क्या समय, समय तो ठला जा रहा. देखो जीवन व्यर्थ तुम्हारा चला जा रहा. तो वीरों की भांति गिरे हो जाओ अब भी. करके कुछ जगह बीच बड़े हो जाओ अब भी. What we want to do? आएगा क्या समय. We can't predict. आएगा क्या समय. Which time? आना means Ana, ayega means will come. Ana means to come. We can't tell which time will come. Now what is there with us that we can tell what will be there. Next time what will be there. If the time is 10 o'clock, next minute we can tell after 10 o'clock 10 1 will come, likewise. But what will happen in our life that we can't predict. Okay, according to the clock we can tell the time, but what will happen in our life that we can't predict, that we can't tell. Okay, आएगा क्या समय, we can't tell what type of, what will happen in our life that we can't tell. समय तो ठला जा रहा, समय तो ठला जा रहा, we can't postpone, we can't postpone the time. Now the time is 10 o'clock, after half hour we can make the time as 10:01, likewise we can't do, after 10 o'clock, next minute 10:01, after that 10:02, likewise it will happen. समय तो ठला जा रहा, we can't postpone the time. देखो जीवन व्यर्थ, if you are postponing our duties in our life, what will happen? देखो जीवन व्यर्थ तुम्हारा चला जा रहेगा. What will, if we are postponing our works for the next time, what will happen? देखो जीवन व्यर्थ तुम्हारा, your व्यर्थ means waste, your life will become, जीवन means life, व्यर्थ means waste. Okay, this is the useless. Okay, what will happen? Our life will be waste or useless if we are postponing the works to the next times. Okay, but all the things you have to do now itself you have to do. Okay, chala jarega, व्यर्थ तुम्हारा चला जाएगा, it will become waste or useless, like this your life will spoil, you will lose your life. Okay, तो वीरों की बांधी, तो means then what we have to do? वीरों means brave, वीरों means brave, वीरों means brave. Okay, what we have to do? तो वीरों की बांधी, बांधी means बांधी life. Okay, तो बांधी means then वीरों की भांति, what we have to do? भांति means life. तो वीरों की भांति गेड़े हो जाओ अब भी. So what we have to do? If we are postponing the matters in our life, what will happen? Our life will become useless, it will become waste. Because what we have to do, as the courageous pupil, वीरों की भांति, like the brave pupil, like the courageous pupil, गेड़े हो, you should stand, जाओ अब भी, now itself you have to do your works, you have to move forward. वीरों की तरह गिरकर आगे चलने को कविता द्वारा कवि हमसे कहते हैं. करके कुछ जग बीच बड़े हो जाओ अब भी. हम क्या करना चाहिए? वीरों की तरह आगे चलकर, करके कुछ, we have to do our works. Okay, कुछ काम हम करने को, जग बीच बड़े हो जाओ अब भी, now itself we have to do some good deeds for the earth. जग means जगत, अर्थ. ओके, जगत के लिए अच्छा काम करके उसको बड़े करने का कोशिश करने के लिए इस कविता हमसे कहते हैं. ओके, तो वीरों की बांधी गिरे हो जाओ अब भी, करके कुछ जगह बीच बड़े हो जाओ अब भी. हम वीरों की तरह गिरकर आगे चलकर उस जगत के लिए अच्छे काम करने को कवि इस कविता द्वारा हमसे कहते हैं. All of you understood what the poet is telling to us? आएगा क्या समय, we can't predict what time is coming to us. Okay, what all the things will happen in our life. समय तो ठला जा रहा, we are not at all supposed to postpone the deeds. What all the works are there, what all the duties are there, that you are not at all supposed to postpone. What all the works are there, now itself you have to complete. देखो, if you are postponing, what will happen? If you are postponing that deeds, what will happen? देखो जीवन व्यर्थ तुम्हारा, your life will become useless or wasted. Likewise it will move forward. तो वीरों की बांधी गिरे हो जाओ अब भी. What you have to do as the brave people, you have to stand and move forward and do something good for the and something good for the fair for the goodness of the world. Clear? आएगा क्या समय, समय तो ठला जाएगा, देखो जीवन व्यर्थ तुम्हारा चला जाएगा। तो वीरों की भांति गिरे हो जाओ अब भी, करके कुछ जगह बीच बड़े हो जाओ अब भी। Okay, these 8 lines you have to by heart. Put in bracket the write there by heart 8 lines. Read that read these 8 lines 5 times and write and study 5 times. Okay, write and study by heart to itself. Daily if you are by hearting 2 lines you can do. I hope all of you understood the poem. Today sir you have to write and study 5 times, and daily if you are studying 2 lines you can study well. Okay, and if you have any doubts you can ask me. Shall we wind up the class now? Okay, we can wind up the class now. I hope all of you are safe and safe in your home. I hope all of your parents are also safe. Be home and be safe. Thank you children.